Hello guys, and in this lecture we are going to talk about bus bars. Now bus bars are used to distribute power to your electrical panel. They act as a joint points where you can extend your cables to your electrical panel equipment. Now let's say that you have a power supply rated at 24 volt DC and you need a way to distribute the positive and the negative terminal to the different equipment you have. You cannot really tie a cable from your power supply to your equipment every single time. It will overcrowd your power supply, and for sure there won't be a capacity for all of these cables to go into one hole. Take the negative terminal and connect it to another conductive bar separated from the previous one, and then start connecting cables from that bar to your equipment. Usually a bus bar box consists of several conductive bars separated from each other, and they have screws that you can plug the cables in. It looks something like this. It's conductive all over it, and you can extend your cable from anywhere on it. Now this is the small size that comes in the box. For large loads, and if you have a large electrical panel, you would use much thicker bars so that they can handle like 400 amps or 500 amps if you have a lot of high rated loads. So let's take a look at this configuration. We have a circuit breaker. We're feeding the three-phase coming from the main power supply, like from transformer or from the energy company. And at the output of the circuit breaker, we have connected the three bars directly at it. Like we put screws on the terminal to attach it with those bars. And then there is bolts on this bar. From every bolt, we connect one thick cable and extend it to our equipment. Say here we have a motor driver rated at 135 kilowatts, which is a very large load here. Now maybe for one load it's not worth it to put bars, but let's say that you have multiple of these 135 kilowatts, so the current at the output of the circuit breaker will be really large that a cable is not good idea to use over there, but instead a bus bar would be much more convenient because it can handle much larger currents. And you distribute from that bus bar to all your equipment.